You guys, Emma saw this on TikTok.
And there's these, the big, really big ones.
Oh yeah, they are. Do you think we should grab these here or like over there?
We can grab some.
Okay, so we're gonna get 4 of these.
They're kind of really stuck together. I think they're really cute, and I saw people putting fruit and stuff in them too, and they fit a lot.
So I'll grab this one. Wait, show them that.
I like these. They're like reusable Ziploc bags. I don't know if I would use them though.
Yeah.
Think about it.
They don't have the wooden ones here, right?
I think those are gonna be downstairs.
Yeah, we're looking for like these but with like a wood top. Oh my gosh. I need to get another one of these, you guys. These are so cute. Love those.
I want to get these pink little. Oh, that's a cute one. I want to get these pink fluffs.
Probably like Hobby Lobby. I feel like these are new. We do need like an accent table, but these look kind of like short.
Really short.
What's this?
The gold, but I don't like the black version.
Yeah. It looks kind of uncomfortable though. I love this little like dusty pink armchair. So cute. There's the laundry room.
Look, I want this.
Oh, that's really
It's a plant mister.
Yeah. I'll get it for you this time.
Ooh, the lighting does not look good in here. I feel like doing like one of those videos that's like, hey Vogue, welcome to my homey. Like Emma, let's pretend this is our home. Hi Vogue, and welcome to our... You know how they do those?
This is MTV, welcome to my crib.
Yeah. Ooh, I really like this one. I think this is so cute. Wait, what am I pointing at? We actually have these, you guys. My other roommate got these. She got them from here. They kind of have like different fruits. Oh my gosh. Emma, I really like these.
Yeah, those are bigger too.
Would it be too much because we already have the other ones?
We could each get 2 of them.
Wait, how much are these?
I think they're only $6. It's a lot cheaper than the other ones.
Ooh.
I don't know, I kind of like these to like organize under my sinks.
But in the pantry, how many do you think would look good in there?
Well, we could do them like this way. I might get 3 too. Maybe 2 for the pantry and then 1 for like maybe like just like organizing my bathroom or something.
In one row, do you think 3 would look better or 4?
I think 4 because 3 would just be not enough. Unless you do it that way, yeah. If that way, then 3 probably.
I could probably buy 2. We definitely need something like this, but I think I'm gonna get it from Target because this one's kind of like too wide, I feel like. They have little like spice racks too. I just feel like it's so bulky, so I wouldn't buy that one, but oh, they have this one for $9. We also need like these. We need a few more for the pantry. I did get these last year and we love them, so I'm gonna get more. You got these last year, right?
Yeah, I did.
These are so cute. Okay, so I ended up just getting one of these little ones because we do have like 4 other ones, so I just got one. Why do I kind of like this one? So cute. Bathrobe for $27.99. Are you gonna get it?
I don't know. It really looks like a hotel room. It does.
Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Baby shark doo 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 doo. Wait, what is that pink one?
A little dinosaur, I think.
No, it's yeah, a hippo. I forgot my animals. Emma got 2 of these like white robes. We have a lot of like storage things for the pantry. Oh yeah, and then she did find these cups too.
Things to make popsicles.
How much is it? Oh,
$2.49.
Ooh, I kind of like these IKEA bags.
Yeah, those are new.
I have so many though, and then I don't even use them. Like today I forgot my blue one that I have from
That one's
them.
really cute though for $3.49. It's like really big.
Emma just got like 2 things, you guys. She got the reusable bag and the popsicle thing for like, you said for skincare, right? Like putting aloe. or popsicles. We have this one already. It's like to put your lettuce in and you like spin it and then it like cleans itself. I think I'm gonna get one of these for the garlic. I'm gonna put it in the cart and then I'll think about it. They have the white little like colanders. That's like almost $20 though.
Yeah, I don't think it's worth it.
You might as well get it from like
cool,
TJ
though.
Maxx.
You can like push it down. It's like,
oh. I think they're sold out again. Look, they only have like this one. I don't like that one though. I really like these colors in case you guys are looking for scissors, and they're only like $5. It looks like they have some glass bowls. I don't know what this is. Oh, I thought it was gonna be heavy. Interesting. They have these little like wooden bowls for $15. I'm really debating getting this one, but I really don't know. There's also like a circle one. I think Emma's gonna get it. Oh, is it this one right here?
yeah.
And then she's getting these two, like the rectangle ones.
Like fruit in this one.
Yeah.
Cut up fruit and then like meals in this
Yeah.
one.
I like this one, but I don't know. I'm gonna think about it. At least I got it like on video so I don't forget. I love stuff like this. They have a little like cookie jar thing. I like that one. They have this little thing to hold napkins. I feel like you could probably use it for something else too though. Wait, this would be kind of good for mixing.
This is such a cute little mini fryer. What do you do with that? It's so cute.
I love looking at their glassware. We literally have these. Emma has like 2 of these.
You have 2 of those.
Yeah.
And these are the ones I'm getting, so I feel like these are perfect.
We literally have like almost all of their glassware. I kind of like these blue ones. Which ones?
These are cute. I need these.
These I always go back and forth between, but I might hold off. And then these, oh my god, I love these.
I really like these. But like, am I ever gonna make a drink this small? Am I? Probably not, honestly.
I think I saw these last time too, but the coupe glasses I got from CB2 are like bigger.
Should I get these? I'm really like iffy. I mean, I have really been wanting one.
I think you should get one. Like, cause you got 2, right?
I was gonna get one for Mason because I feel like he needs one. Like, you can cut like really thin, like cucumbers and like onions and stuff like that.
This one's kind of dirty.
It is.
I don't know if it's fun, but I'm gonna move your bag up here.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, let's make sure these are the right colors.
So they have the rugs here. We do kind of need one for the living room, but I don't know if we'll actually find one here. You guys, I have this basket in the townhome. I feel like I need to use it more actually. These just look so cute. I got these for my dresser. I absolutely love these. Kind of debating getting more, but I probably won't today. Definitely recommend. It's only $7. They have that smaller size of the one that Emma's getting. Is it new? Like,
Yeah.
I feel like I didn't see that before.
It's pretty new.
Didn't you get that one, or you were about to get it?
I wanted to get that. I actually wanted to get this one.
Oh yeah, I remember now.
I kind of want it. I just feel like that's so pretty. It's only $19.
You guys, they have some really cute little like gold mirrors. I love that one. I like this little thing. I don't necessarily know what it's for, but it's cute. Even this one right here, I like the blue color. I have this one from IKEA and I absolutely love it. $13. Oh, this one actually looks really cool too. What's this? Oh, it's a vase. I have so many vases though, but that one is $6. I like this one. It's like $1.49. We just checked out. Wait, Emma, look back.
Which one are we on?
P1. In the elevator. Okay, so we're gonna head back home, but we just checked out. We have everything in the cart. So we're back home. I'm just gonna do a quick little haul of what we got, and then I'll let Emma do a haul of like what she got. So we did get these little like storage baskets for the pantry. I think these are so cute because they have like this little wooden thing to hold them from, and then they're just white, they're see-through. I don't know. So I did get 2 of these, and this is the name in case you guys are looking for them. I also got this like garlic press. I feel like this will make like cooking a lot faster. I forgot how much this was, but they had this in the downstairs part. I already had like 3 of these, I think. So I just decided to get one more so we could have 4 in the pantry and 1 like under the sink. I love these so much and they're literally like less than $5. And then the last 2 things that I got were these like bigger versions of it. I feel like this would be good for like the bigger stuff in our pantry. These could go like in the bottom row and we could like line them up like this or like this. So cute. And then now I'm gonna let Emma show you guys what she got from IKEA.
Okay, I got a robe. It kind of reminds me of like a robe you get from the hotel robe is what it reminds me of, hotel robe. So I got that because I don't know why, I didn't need it. Okay, then I got like a little disposable, like reusable bag. It has 2 different little things. It's really big, honestly, but I just get one every time. So I got 2 of these little containers for the pantry as well. I got this little like candle holder. I thought it would be cute for like decor. I got a pizza cutter because I needed one. I got these little like fruit things. You can cut like a lemon in half or a cucumber and just put this over it. I got little popsicle maker things. I was gonna put aloe in it. I saw like a TikTok about it. I got this like measuring cup. I thought it looked really cute. I got these wine glasses, but I was thinking they could be cute for coffee or like tea as well. Just thought they were pretty. I got 2 of these baskets. The same ones really I got. I don't even know what this is called, but it's for cucumbers and onions and stuff like that. It cuts them like really, yeah, it's like a slicer and it cuts them really thin. I also thought you could do like potatoes and make like potato chips or something. I got 2 of these bowls. They're just like glass bowls. I just used one for a salad. I got 3 of these little glass Tupperwares with this like wooden top. And then I got 2 of these rectangle ones. I thought they would be perfect for meal prepping because I have like plastic ones I use now, but they're kind of getting nasty. I think that's everything. I got way too much.
But yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and thank you to Emma for being in the video. I'm gonna put a link to her YouTube. Wait, do you want me to do that or?
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
I don't know.
But yeah, so I'm gonna put a link to her YouTube channel down below because she does have one. We'll make sure to keep you guys updated with like what else we're getting for the townhome. I haven't really said it yet, but me, Emma, and another roommate are gonna be living here another year. Really excited for that, but yeah, I'm gonna be doing a lot of shopping like these upcoming weeks. But thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below and I'll see you guys in my next video.